Hello, my name is Patrick Curry. I'm here from Straight Line Canvas to show you a short demonstration on how to measure a set of truck and trailer curtains for a truck unit. Tools you need to complete this is, of course, your measure sheet. In this case it's a trailer, and so I've got the trailer form which you download off the Straight Line Canvas website. A nice long 30 metre tape measure makes life easy, and we design it with a hook on the front so we can get the centre of the luff pole. Standard tape measure, and if you buy yourself a roll of duct tape, always helps. First visit straightline.co.nz/measure curtains and find the correct measure sheet and print it off. You can also download written instructions. Fill in the contact details and specifications. Make sure you include the fabric colour. You can visit our website for the colour options. Tensioner locations, curtain track type, whether or not it is a Fruhoff build or not, as these are smaller wheels. Curtain type, whether it's a dry freight, insulated or double skinned. The end pole types, the buckle strap colour, and the rave hook type, whether it's a small for attaching to the comb rail or a large for onto the rope rail. The first process in measuring a truck curtain is to make sure that the truck or trailer curtain is aligned into the position where you need it. So the buckles are not lining up with anything if you're measuring an existing curtain. Firstly, we just hook the pre-made hook onto the front of the luff pole, and the centre of my tape measure is in the centre of the luff pole. We then take our full length measurement of the curtain at the centre of the luff pole at the opposite end, or in case of the fixed pole, the centre of the fixed pole. So as I'm by myself, the easiest thing to use is a bit of duct tape to hold my tape measure in the correct position. And we can see there, the centre of the luff pole at the rear end is 9290. So that is the measurement we write on our plan in the total length measurement pole to pole. From this point on, if the curtain's aligned rightly, we go down measuring from this front edge to the centre of the buckle. So the first measurement is 710 millimetres, and you write that coming from the front edge of the plan. Carry on down to the entire curtain, writing down the measurement to the centre of the buckle. 1330. 1940. At this stage we are measuring the height of the curtain. In order to do this, we open the curtain and we're going to hook the end of the tape measure into the curtain track where the curtain runs, at the bottom side of the roller. Taking this measurement as close to the end wall as possible, where the height of the unit is the most accurate, we measure down to the bottom of the comb rail. We can write that measurement down of 3190 in our height spot on the plan sheet. Also, note on the plan if you need any reinforcements. For example, behind a support pole or any wear strips needed along the curtain, and if you need any cutouts, like where the diesel tank cap is. When measuring a step deck curtain, you need some extra measurements. The curtain height at the front and the rear, the height of the step, the distance from the centre of the front pole to the step, and the centre from the rear pole to the step. When you've finished, you can email the measure sheet to us at admin@straightline.co.nz. If you need to order parts, simply write what you need on the measure sheet. Otherwise, you can order online at straightline.co.nz/parts. Got questions? Just call us on 0800 244 266.